Okay, let's go again to the lobby. Nice lobby of Novotel. Let's check the Omaha Steakhouse. Ano rin 5-star to. Itong Novotel. Aming restaurants. Oh, may Chinese restaurant pa. Oh, nice. Galing. Masarap ang pagkain dito. Chinese, may Korean dining pa. Galing itong restaurant. Wow, everything looks so elegant. Grilled food, huh? Look at the meat. Looks very soft. Wow, itong Novotel, may shopping mall inside the hotel. It's quite nice ambience. Tabi pala yung Chinese tsaka Korean, no? Okay, going up the lobby. Ang daming restaurants dito sa Novotel Ambassador. And back to the lobby. This is the ambience in the evening. And this is the concierge area. What a great ambience at night. The Novotel Ambassador. And this is the bar with a coffee shop. Daming Aperol Spritz. What a nice small bar. Ganda. Considering 4-star lang to. Now Bern is checking on how to ride the subway from the Novotel. Hindi tayo mawawala, Bern, ha? Okay, so let's try the subway here in Seoul, Korea. Ganda itong kanyang driveway. Welcome, Novotel Ambassador, Seoul, Gangnam. So it's a 5-minute walk to the subway from Novotel Ambassador, Gangnam. And then ang building ng Novotel. So try namin kanilang subway. Yan, Novotel Gangnam Style. 5 minutes walk. Oh, pwede rin sakyan to, Berna. Dali, no? Commercial area. So we're going to the subway. Ito pala yung papuntang subway. Exercise going down. Na, subway nila. Underground talaga, oh. Oh, we're here. We'll have to take the train. Okay, hopefully we don't get lost. Okay, may Berna GPS map. So we're coming from the Gangnam Station. We follow the brown color. Mga Korean, Korean foods. Ito naman ng aso. Yung babae, pinasok yung mga dogs niya, oh. Galing. Okay, Berna checking on the map. Grabe yung railway station niya. Ang daming trains. Okay, which one, Berna? Ayun. Okay, basic fare. Wow, mukhang masarap. Dalmanju. Oh, dito lang sa subway. Baka kabili ka na. Ito mga convenience store sa subway. Siyempre, lahat Korean food. Oh, sarap naman yan. Uy, tama yung nabiling ticket ni Berna. Okay na. May ticket na kami. Okay, so my ticket for the subway. Press lang. So, yun nagmamadali. Dapat nasa left side. Ang linis ng subway nila. Ang ganda. Galing ng Korea. Gangnam style statue tayo. Okay, papasok na kami. Siyempre, papalabasin muna tapos kami naman. Okay. Kunti lang ang tao tapos na yung prime time, eh. Okay, lahat ng nakasakay, naka-cellphone, no? Pati si Berna, naka-cellphone din.
Ito na tayo.
Okay, 8 o'clock na. Kaya yung train hindi na puno. Okay, ito na yung stop namin. Nagsa-cellphone pa rin. Okay, andar na ang linis ng kanilang subway. According to Berna, we're going to Gangnam Style Statue. Berna first, me next. Okay, palabas na kami ng subway. Yan ang pinasukan naming station. And this is the biggest underground mall in Korea. Starfield Mall. Okay, si Berna nag-GPS ulit. Ako, Ako ang cameraman. Siya ang taga-isip. Coffee shop, Paul Basset. Yan ang pangalan ng station. Galing kami sa yung station na yan. Bogensa. Exercise ulit. Kami ko ng exercise. Uy, ang taas ng nilakad ko. Ang ganda naman ng building sa tapat ko. Ayun na si Berna, oh. Nauna na. Oh, saan na tayo, Berna? Ganda ng buildings, ah. Exercise ulit. We're going to Gangnam Style Statue. Akin naman ang billboard niya. Oh, kanya pala may construction dito. Malapit na kami. Berna, yan na ba si Gangnam? Gangnam Statue? Wow! Oo nga, no? Yung kanta, oh, Gangnam Style. Ayun. Ayun, si Gangnam. Oo nga naman. Oh, yes. Yung kamay niya, oh. Yung kamay niya, oh, nakadikit. Oh, Gangnam Style.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style, galing. Ito na pala si Gangnam Style. Ayan, yung kanyang kamay. Yes, the Gangnam Style statue here in Gangnam area. Galing. Sexy lady. Ito naman dito, mga 5-star hotel dito sa Gangnam Style statue. Dami niyang buildings katapat. Sikat na sikat si Gangnam talaga, oh. Ayan, ibig na makinig si Berna, nagsi-cellphone. Ayan, fingers ni Gangnam, oh. Okay, landmark is Starfield Mall. Picture si Berna sa kamay ni Gangnam Style dito sa Gangnam. Okay, smile. Yes, beautiful smile. Very good. Okay, our last tour, the Starfield's biggest underground mall. Oo nga, laking mall nito sa Korea. Alam, almost closing time na. Aming Starbucks sa Korea. Masarap sa Korea, daming food. Starbucks, Korea. Okay, closing time. Mga tao palabas na ng mall. Okay, so we just visited the underground mall called the Starfield Coex Mall. Okay, so we're looking for the subway. Aming restaurant, so sa labas lang ang mall. Wow, ang sarap ng kanyang meat. Well, piti presyo, mukhang reasonable. Sa labas lang ng Starfield Mall. Ganda ng labas talaga ng mall na to. Biggest underground, just like in Guangzhou, China. But this time we're entering into a temple. Buti na lang, gabi. May breeze. Uy, ganda naman ng temple. Yes, I'm walking towards the temple with all the plants dito sa Seoul, Korea. Napakaganda. And here we are. Let's make a better view of this famous Buddhist temple. Yes, that's the back part. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by a lot of plants. Ganda. And that's Berna in front. Ang klase mga plants kaya to? Ganda. Ha?
Lotus flowers.
Ano? Lotus?
Lotus flowers.
These are lotus flowers? Wow. Nice. Isipin mo, no? Ganda. Lotus flowers. Here at the Gangnam area. Dami naman ito. Imagine, huh? Wow, look at this area. Walang na-appreciate ng Seoul, Korea. daming lakaran. Okay, sabi ni Berna, nandito rin yung malaking statue. So let's walk more. Haba ng nilakad ko. Ang daming lakaran. Wow, super nice. Ayun na, si Berna Baron. Talagang mahilig pasyal. At yun ang pinanggalingan namin. Oh wow, ganda. Sabi ko exercise. Uy, ang ganda ng mga lanterns, oh. Dapat pasyal kayo dito sa Gangnam, dito sa Seoul, Korea. Sana yung malaking statue sinasabi ni Berna? Nandun pala sa harapan. Dami ko nang nilakad. Huli na yan. Oh, di ba ito na yung statue? Ganun ba? Tatanggal pa pala ng sapatos dito. Okay, so silip na lang ako. Wow, ang daming Buddha. Ganda naman ang area nito, oh. Walang entrance fee, ah. Oh, wow naman. That's the inside. Side, Berna? And this is the outside. The truth is, I get enlightened by Buddha. Ito yung magandang teachings ni Buddha, Berna. Magandang teachings ni Buddha. So let's go. Ganda naman ang mga yan. Pwede kang mag-light ng candle.
Thank you.